Udinywe ibheyili omunye wabantu abasolwa ngokubulala Gardee. USipho Mkhatshwa uqalene namacala abunane ekubalwa hlangana lokubulala, ukukata, ukuthumba kunye nokubopha iqhinga lokubulala.
We failed to show that there are factors which in the interest of justice permit his release on bail or that there are exceptional circumstances. Accused failed to adduce independent evidence of innocence or regarding the strength of the state's case. Therefore, the application for bail is not granted and bail is refused.
Ikhoto ithi iqale konke ukuqhakatheka kwecaleli. Ithi wonke amacala obunane bekazele uguruzela. Bekodi nobufakazi bamagcwetha womsola bebulula. Ikhoto ithi ukunikela uSipho Mkhatshwa ibheyili kungaba yingozi emphakathini. Bekodi kungahle acabhele ecaleni nofana abofakazi bazithole basengozini. Kanti kuvele nokuthi uMkhatshwa kunye nababili asolwa nabo batsho babopha amaqhinga okubulala omunye wabofakazi bakhona ngaphakathi ejele. Umndeni waGardee ubonakale usilingeke kwamambala nanyana kunjalo wehlisa umoya ngesiqundu esithethwe ikhotho sanamhlanje. Kanti EFF ibike ngalindlela.
I was sitting next to some of the family members, so there was that sense of relief. Grieving is a horrible thing. You can't even start the process of grieving until you even can understand like what actually happened to my daughter, what happened to my sister, what happened to my niece. So this is the first step in a very long legal battle, which we are relieved that has happened.
Amagcwetha kaMkhatshwa abhalile ukuphefumula ngesahlulelo sekhotho icala lithulisele ngomhla ka-22 kuRhoboyi ukuthi umsolwa abeke wonke amacala asolwa ngawo la.